without taking any names, even the biggest podcasts in India don't have a niche. They create everything and anything. तो आप कैटेगराइज किस में करोगे? इससे अच्छा सोचते हैं सब एक ही जगह डंप कर दो. समझ रहे हो? एक सेपरेट पेज ही बना के, क्योंकि आपकी डायरेक्शन ही नहीं है. आप तांत्रिक को भी बुला रहे हो पॉडकास्ट पे, आप एरोनॉटिकल इंजीनियर को भी बुलाते हो पॉडकास्ट पे, आप डॉक्टर को भी बुलाते हो, आप एस्ट्रोलॉजर को भी बुलाते हो. आपकी नीश है क्या फिर?
Can you go back to the year when you like made the first LinkedIn post?
Yeah.
And then tell me कि यार हफ्ते में कितना डालते थे और what type of post you were posting at that point of time?
Sure. I started in September end 2020. मेरी पहली पोस्ट एक मोटिवेशनल कोट थी जो आपको नहीं करना चाहिए ऑन लिंक्डइन. डोंट डू इट, डोंट बी मी. That's not the kind of platform you should be doing this on. I was doing what you should have done on an Instagram, on LinkedIn.
Okay.
Somehow worked for me because again I didn't do it in an Instagram fashion.
Okay.
I decoded my perspective as a professional on a motivational quote.
Okay.
So it was not that wrong, but I still feel it's not the right platform to do it. 20-25 लोग देखते थे मेरी एक पोस्ट को, मतलब लाइक करते थे. 6 दिन में मैं खुश हो जाती थी. That kept my adrenaline going and I never stopped. But then I figured my niche कि नहीं, मुझे एजुकेशनल कंटेंट बनाना चाहिए फॉर स्टूडेंट्स एंड वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स, एंड दे आर माई टारगेट ऑडियंस एंड आई हैव अ लॉट टू शेयर. And I used to post 2 times a week. I posted 2 times a week for almost 6 months. After that, I made it 3-4 times a week. And I think ever since I've tried, there was a period for almost 1 year, 3 months or 1.5 years जहाँ मैं हर दिन पोस्ट करती थी. But in general, आप ये 4.5 years की जर्नी देखो या 4 years 2 months जो भी हुए हैं, I have posted at least 3 times in a week.
एवरेज मैं अगर पकड़ लूं, जितना
3 पोस्ट एक हफ्ते के ऑलवेज.
3 पोस्ट एक हफ्ते के होते हैं,
yes.
which are like mostly photos with some text.
No, videos.
Or videos. Okay.
Videos,
so
which
now,
are mostly videos, always from the beginning.
Oh.
That was my USP.
Okay.
I was one of the first few LinkedIn video creators in the country. This is the truth. Because उस टाइम पे कोई वीडियो नहीं बनाता था LinkedIn पे, आज भी इतने कम बनाते हैं. तो तब तो टैब भी नहीं था, तो दैट गॉट मी आई बॉल्स, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. सच वही है, जब वही मैंने बोला ना, जब आप वो करने लगते हो जो मेजॉरिटी लोग नहीं कर रहे हैं, आप नोटिसेबल इजीली हो जाते हो.
वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. और आज भी बहुत कम लोग हैं जो वीडियो बनाते हैं.
एग्जैक्टली. अब तो डेडिकेटेड टैब है तो भी इतने लोग रिस्ट्रिक्टेड हैं एंड दे फील लाइक करें नहीं करें. तो 4 साल पहले आई वाज मेकिंग वीडियोस, तब भी मैं वीडियोस ही ज्यादा बनाती थी, आज भी वीडियोस ही ज्यादा बनाती हूँ. That's remained constant.
Got it. And you were sharing your journey basically in those videos.
Yes, personal journey, professional tips, how do you crack better interviews, how do you negotiate your salary, how do you communicate better, how do you land a consulting job, how do you build a personal brand, how to give good presentations, resume कैसे बनाएं, everything under career development and professional growth.
Noted.
Yes.
And now if I talk about now, so you have a podcast.
Yes.
Right. So do you post that also on LinkedIn?
Yes, I do. So the podcast is Dhairya Decodes, the same name, because I'm decoding career trajectories. It's a career specific podcast. And podcast के जो हम mini snippets या clips निकालते हैं, which go as reels on Instagram and as shorts on YouTube, they are repurposed on LinkedIn also.
Okay.
And but not every short that is cut for YouTube or reel is put on LinkedIn. The ones that we feel will go with the vibe of the platform are put on LinkedIn. Yes, because it's a career podcast at the end of the day.
Correct.
And सिर्फ मेरा perspective मैं कब तक दूंगी? Career ही मैं decode कर रही हूँ, अलग अलग career paths लोगों के. So my audience will also be happy that Dhairya, they look up to me as a career coach and mentor, right? That our mentor has got somebody valuable from different industries in every episode and उनसे भी सीखने को मिल रहा है.
Correct.
So that makes sense to repurpose it on LinkedIn.
So and that goes on your page or there's a separate podcast?
My page. धैर्या गंगवानी की ही LinkedIn प्रोफाइल पे जाता है.
Okay.
Instagram पे भी धैर्या डीकोड्स पे ही जाता है. YouTube पे तो धैर्या डीकोड्स चैनल जो है वही है, उसी पे.
So do you think like nowadays what I've seen is in the podcasting niche since the podcast has come into inception, creating shorts have become easier because you shoot and then you get 15 reels out of it.
Yeah.
Then you can repurpose it, right? So basically what I want to ask in terms of this podcast part is that I've seen people having 2 pages, one for podcast and one for their personal one.
Yeah, most of the people do. And some people have for clips also, or for ऐसा भी 3 pages भी होते हैं.
YouTube पे तो मेरे को समझ में आता है because watch time is very different for
Correct.
all 3 things.
Correct.
On LinkedIn, what is your take? Like you're not doing it, right?
I'm not.
Yeah, so that's why I'm more curious. Ki what would you advise ki is a better option to start with?
नहीं, लिंक्डइन पे जरूरत नहीं है. You don't need to have a separate page for your podcast. Not at all. LinkedIn is a very different platform. I also feel even on Instagram you don't need it, to be very honest. But on YouTube you should. That's my opinion, personal. LinkedIn पे तो जरूरत है ही नहीं. That I'm very confident of. Because एक separate, पहली बात तो LinkedIn पे personal profile बनती है या तो company page बनता है. तो अब आप पॉडकास्ट के रील्स का या शॉर्ट्स का थोड़ी ना कंपनी पेज बनाओगे. और पर्सनल प्रोफाइल पे पॉडकास्ट की रील्स क्यों जाएंगी? एक सेपरेट पेज पे मैं बोल रही हूँ. दैट विल बी सो वियर्ड. आपकी प्रोफाइल पे जाना चाहिए. इट्स जस्ट बिकॉज फंडामेंटली इट्स नॉट लॉजिकल ऑन लिंक्डइन बिकॉज द प्लेटफॉर्म इज नॉट गिविंग यू दैट एबिलिटी और सरफेस टू बिल्ड इट.
हाँ, मतलब मेरा इंटरेस्टिंग टेक इसमें ये है कि when they see just the podcasting thing, they are coming to see just like LinkedIn की तरह एक वैल्यू derive करने आ रहे हैं.
हाँ.
ठीक है, it's not more of like your personal journey. When we talk about Instagram, it's more about even getting more intimated with that person and following that part. They are not more oftenly interested कि ये बंदा किस से जाके बात कर रहा है.
करेक्ट.
So there is a very different of कि target audience आपकी mix हो जाती है.
वो भी है.
That's my personal take on it. Just as you said on LinkedIn, अगर मैं सिर्फ एक पेज बनाता हूँ जिसमें मैं सिर्फ रील्स डाल रहा हूँ, it might make sense to some people. But when I talk about LinkedIn, I am showcasing what kinds of talent I am and professionally मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ.
मैं ऐसे सोचती हूँ कि यार पॉडकास्ट भी तो मैं उन्हीं लोगों के लिए बना रही हूँ ना.
हाँ.
या तो फिर आप देन यू आर कंफ्यूज्ड एज अ क्रिएटर. मुझे लगता है आप अपने आप को पोर्ट्रे कर रहे हो. मैं अपना एग्जांपल लेती हूँ एज एन एजुकेटर, करियर कोच, और उसी भी वीडियोस बना रहे हो. और आपका पॉडकास्ट भी करियर पॉडकास्ट है. पर फिर आप करियर पॉडकास्ट कैसे बोल सकते हो? उस ऑडियंस को नहीं देखना होगा. डेफिनेटली देखना होगा. या तो फिर आपको पता नहीं आपकी ऑडियंस क्या है. And as somebody who has been doing career related content for 4 years, I think I'm the right person to start a career podcast. And my audience that I've built in 4 years is the right audience to show a career podcast to. That's my take. Yeah. But then if you're claiming to be somebody who's into fitness, but then you start a travel podcast, that's a different thing. Then why will those folks want to watch it? I don't know. मतलब
Yeah, it's a fine line. It's a fine line.
हाँ.
It's a fine line. You need to be very clear about कि किसके लिए बना रहा हूँ.
बना रहे हो. हाँ.
मतलब वैसे तो जिंदगी के अंदर लोग बहुत सारी चीजें.
I also feel I also feel क्या होता है नीरज, most podcasts don't have a niche. Without taking any names, even the biggest podcasts in India don't have a niche. They create everything and anything. तो आप कैटेगराइज किस में करोगे? इससे अच्छा सोचते हैं सब एक ही जगह डंप कर दो. समझ रहे हो? एक सेपरेट पेज ही बना के, क्योंकि आपकी डायरेक्शन ही नहीं है. आप तांत्रिक को भी बुला रहे हो पॉडकास्ट पे, आप एरोनॉटिकल इंजीनियर को भी बुलाते हो पॉडकास्ट पे, आप डॉक्टर को भी बुलाते हो, आप एस्ट्रोलॉजर को भी बुलाते हो. आपकी नीश है क्या फिर? यू गेट माई पॉइंट. सो या तो एक जैसे अगर कोई रिलेशनशिप्स रिलेटेड कंटेंट पॉडकास्ट बना रहा है, यू नो इधर सिर्फ रिलेशनशिप एक्सपर्ट्स या लोग जो आके अपने रिलेशनशिप शेयर कर रहे हैं या एक और कैटेगरी को जो आते हैं, देन यू हैव अ डिफाइंड ऑडियंस. एंड हेंस मे बी बिकॉज देयर सच अ स्कैटर्ड ऑडियंस, वो सोचते हैं and it's so much of content, let's have a separate page. That may be their thinking. But I'm building a niche podcast. I'm building a career podcast, a career focused podcast. So it makes sense to show it to my audience on my Thera Decodes Instagram page only.
Very interesting take. मैंने जब इस पॉडकास्ट को स्टार्ट किया था, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, मेरे दिमाग में कोई स्पेसिफिक नीच नहीं थी. मेरे दिमाग में ये था एक पर्टिकुलर टास्क दैट आई वांट टू ब्रिंग पीपल एंड आई वांट टू टेक अ रोड मैप आउट ऑफ देम एंड वांट टू हेल्प एनीबडी आउट देयर हु जस्ट लाइक अस ट्राइंग to follow an unconventional path.
Right.
And that is, I think, somewhere I just met someone in Delhi and we were also talking about this in call. So one of my viewers, I met him through my cousin's wedding only. So he watches my podcast. So, and he is now, on a sabbatical and he is now developing his own firm. So he connected very well. So that's actually my target audience. And see, I have never met him.
Yeah.
But when I spoke with him and he was excited to speak, and then I realized the vibe that I was trying to create, like an organic vibe of trying to ask people and get the answers out of them, that is reaching.
It's working.
Working.
You're able to achieve what you wanted.
Exactly. तो मेरे दिमाग में वो पार्ट में क्लैरिटी थी, and I was speaking to you कि see, I can call anybody, but the perspective of asking is same.
Again, तो the problem is in their case, जो भी हैं, the names, ना तो नीश है, ना टारगेट ऑडियंस है, ना पर्सपेक्टिव सेम है.
करेक्ट.
आप तीनों ही नहीं कर रहे तो कुछ अलाइन नहीं करता मेरे हिसाब से. मुझे लगता है खिचड़ी और
फिर वो खिचड़ी हो जाती है.
वो खिचड़ी है, सॉरी.
That is only for views.
And then it's also only for the person coming and sitting on the couch next to me. It will never be for me. जब तक धैर्य एक प्रियंका चोपड़ा को ला रही है या शाहिद कपूर को ला रही है या मिनिस्टर को ला रही है, फिर ठीक है. माई पॉइंट इज अगर मैं कल एक ऐसे इंसान को भी लाऊं जिसको आपने देखा नहीं है, देन वॉट, क्या आप फिर भी मुझे देखोगे? दैट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ क्रेडिबिलिटी टू बिल्ड. पीपल शुड कम बैक टू वॉच यू ऑल्सो ना.
That's a lovely point to bring, and I feel that is the thing when people trust you कि हाँ धैर्य को अगर हमने responsibility दी है
हाँ.
to guide us in career,
Yeah.
then she will ask the relevant question that will
Questions.
help me
Correct.
to guide. आज मैं धैर्य को मैंने क्यों invite किया, क्योंकि धैर्य की जर्नी वैसी रही है कि मैं धैर्य को invite करूँ, you know, from where you came, very similar to me.
Yeah.
It's not just our story, it's a story of a lot of
A lot of people,
a lot of
obviously.
people.
Yeah.
But since we are some of those people who have sort of progressed somewhere in life,
Yeah.
and it's our responsibility to guide somewhere कि जो अभी
जो
race के
aspiring
अंदर-
है and they
Correct.
want to do that. Yeah.
Correct, and that is why we are here, right? That is
Yeah.
why we create educational content. You
Correct.
create educational content.
Yeah.
I create educational content, and that is the perspective out of it. So summarizing this whole, I think काफी बढ़िया हमारा विवाद हो गया यहाँ पे in terms of LinkedIn.
हाँ.
If you have to summarize somebody like a quick starter guide,
हाँ.
3 posts, let's take example of 3 posts उसको करना है, 3 से 4 posts ज़्यादा मुझे इन्वेस्ट नहीं करना. Let's take example वो बंदा जॉब में है, 3 से
3
4
पोस्ट भी बहुत ज्यादा लगते हैं लोगों को. मैं जब बोलती हूँ 2 बार पोस्ट करना है हफ्ते में, कुछ लोग मुंह बना देते हैं. वंस अ वीक भी बोलती हूँ तो मुंह बना देते हैं. क्या 3 बोल रहे हो?
उनको बोलो फिर थोड़ा सा मुंह बना
मैं
के,
बोलती हूँ फिर आप बैठ जाओ,
हाँ,
मत करो.
फिर once a week भी बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा आपके लिए.
हाँ, वो मत ही करो. आप इतना लोड मत लो लाइफ में.
नहीं, but coming back to this thing, let's say कि कोई जॉब में है, what is the ideal startup plan, very basic one, कि ये करो and repeat it for the 1 year, forget about what thing and just explore.
For LinkedIn.
Just for LinkedIn.
Simple yaar. Start with experimenting with different formats of posts. Don't think of a particular format because LinkedIn has a lot of surfaces. Videos बनाओ, image plus text post डालो, plain text post डालो, carousels डालो, polls डालो, host LinkedIn audio events, host LinkedIn video events, try everything out. Don't stick to a particular day or timing, all of that doesn't matter. Try to post at least 2 times a week if you want to see some result coming out. दो पोस्ट पर वीक से कम अगर आप करना चाह रहे हो, then I would suggest आप start ही मत करो. Honestly start मत करो. And over a period of at least 2 months of consistently posting for at least 2 times a week, get a pulse of your audience. What are they liking to hear from you the most? What kind of audiences are interacting with your posts? You have analytics, everything is in front of you. आपका account है, उसको decode करो. Figure out, is it professionals, is it students, is it entrepreneurs, is it agency owners, is it doctors, depending on whatever niche. And start curating to their pain points and needs that will indirectly help you build a niche. आप niche ही बना रहे हो अपनी खुद. Backtrack कर लो, मतलब I'm saying. अगर आपसे फिगर नहीं हो रहा है किस niche पे बनाए.
Self-reflect
करो.
after like 6 weeks,
Try
7 weeks.
different things.
Yeah.
And then see what is working best. Double down on that. Keep doing it consistently. Take it up to at least 3 to 4 times a week. You can do it 3 to 4 times a week for the rest of your life. That's enough for good growth on LinkedIn, right? From a follower standpoint. Apart from that, don't restrict to just posting. Also engage with other people's content. Drop meaningful comments, insights, and your perspective on somebody's post which you've liked, or somebody inspirational who you look up to. That's the best way to get noticed. Leverage LinkedIn to be in rooms you would have never thought of, because there are very powerful people on the platform, right from our Prime Minister to a Sunil Shetty to a Priyanka Chopra to a Yuvraj Singh to a Varun Dhawan today is on LinkedIn. So leverage it to come in the notice of and get the eyeballs of influential and important people through your network there, and actually use it for meaningful networking. So yeah, I would say that would be the startup guide or plan. And be consistent, but also be persistent, right? Don't just do it कि तीन बार हफ्ते में करना है तो करना है. खुशी से करो. It should give you joy.
Yeah.
Then persistence is important along with consistency.
I think I will just summarize it कि 3 से 4 बार post करो, whatever you like. It can be video, it can be carousel, it can be a static post, it can be just be a text as well.
Yeah.
And find out in like a month or so what is it that you are liking.
You'll
and-
take at least 2 to 3 months.
Yeah. मेरी थोड़ी सी इसमें approach like थोड़ी सी अलग होती है. I'll add that after I summarize these things. So you start creating content, be patient with it for a year. You will start seeing the growth because you will grow as a creator and understand कि मुझे क्या पसंद है in the long run creating, and साथ साथ में किससे इसको benefit भी हो रहा है.
Correct.
And then you realize कि okay, my target audience is this.
Yeah.
right? And then you double down, and that double down never stops.
Correct.
It will keep on
Keep on
happening.
going. Yeah. That's an ongoing process.
Yeah, that's an ongoing process. Thank you so much इस clip को end तक देखने के लिए. अगर आपको ऐसी ही interesting and value adding clips देखनी है, then Dream with Neeraj clips को subscribe कर लीजिए. Until then, keep dreaming. I'll see you in the next one.